Here's a good question. Should I get a job or should I seek temporary support? This, a question from our Illinois Divorce Support Network, our private Facebook group. Link in bio, free to join. Here's the story. As I'm going through divorce and looking for jobs, income opportunities, I've considered renting out a room in my house. Are there any legalities related to this income? I imagine it's still considered marital property, but my soon-to-be ex is not currently paying spousal support and I'm very low on funds. Would an emergency temporary spousal request be better? I'm guessing that means temporary support. So I always say, get a job or get a better job or get an education to get a job. So it used to be in the old days when I started doing this over 20 years ago that the general consensus was that getting a job would jeopardize getting maintenance. So now you don't talk about your specific circumstances, like I don't know what your soon-to-be ex's your soon-to-be ex's income is. I don't know what your asset situation is. I don't know what your income generating ability is, like your education and your job background. So there's a lot of question marks here, but generally speaking, the way that the maintenance or alimony laws work in Illinois, it is only to your advantage to get a job and earn an income because in the formula, the recipient's income only reduces maintenance by 25% of net income, which is not a lot. So you're benefiting from the rest of that money that you're getting in your pocket. Now the answer is yes, it becomes a marital asset. So the dollars that come into the marriage that you earn, theoretically you're going to share 50-50 with your soon-to-be ex. But if you need that money to pay the bills, that money's just going to come in and go out and pay the bills. So, if you're drowning, you really can't be a chooser. Beggars can't be choosers. So I would get that job or work more and make more money. Generally speaking, you can't lose, especially if you get health insurance because health insurance is so expensive. And at the conclusion of the divorce, your ex is not going to be required to pay for health insurance for you. They may have to buy health insurance for the kids or continue paying for it, but they're not going to be obligated to pay for your health expenses and your health insurance. You're going to be on your own. So health insurance is gold on top of having your own employment and your security. If something happens to your ex, if they get sick, they die or something like that, their income's going to disappear and any piece of paper, a court order, isn't going to help you. So I would urge you to consider getting a job. I think that's a great idea. There's nothing wrong also with seeking temporary support in your divorce case, but there are a number of issues where that might not be the best avenue for you too. So you got to check with a lawyer in your jurisdiction for the best advice on that. Thanks for the question. Like, follow, share for more like this. Always check out our links in bio for free divorce educational material. And if you want to do a consultation with us at STG Divorce Law, I'm Raiford Palmer.